In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the Use with AI feature to speed up your API integration. To get started, visit docs.iPOSpays.com. Open the API documentation for the API you want to integrate. Click Use with AI in the top right corner of the page. This gives you a few different ways to use the documentation with AI. You can open the documentation directly in ChatGPT or Claude and use AI to integrate the API into your application by simply giving a prompt. Let's start with ChatGPT. Click Open in ChatGPT. You'll be redirected to ChatGPT, and you'll be given the MD file of the API. Save it in a folder on your device. A prompt will be auto-filled to help you generate production-ready code. Drag and drop or upload the downloaded MD file into the chat. Now, you can use ChatGPT to help you integrate the API. If you wish to use your own AI to assist you with the integration, click on Download AI Context and save it in a folder on your device. You can then upload it on an AI assistant of your choice in your code editor to help you integrate the API. If you'd rather work with the documentation directly, select Copy Full API to copy the complete documentation, including code examples, to your clipboard. You can then paste it into your code editor or AI assistant. If you have questions while working with the API, you can also use DejaBot, our AI assistant, for help. Simply enter your question in the chat, and DejaBot will help guide you through the API documentation. Thanks for watching.